course in university or high school do you think is important to be successful in the business market?
Question is a very good question. I think a lot of people, they think that I dislike school. I don't hate school, and I'm not saying school is like a complete waste of time. What I'm saying is most people, they go to school without a purpose. They go to school because they take certain subjects or they major certain subjects because their parents told them that this is the subject you should study, or they think that's the subject that they should study, or their friends told them they should study, or they believe that that's where all the jobs are, but not really knowing who they are and what they want. That I'm against. And also I believe that you have the illusion, believing that college is your golden ticket to success. That's I'm totally against.
Toturial asks, what course in university or high school do you think is important to be successful in the business? Toturial asks, what course in university or high school do you think is important to be successful in the business market? Question is a very good question. Toturial asks, what course in university or high school do you think is important to be successful in the business market? Question is a very good question. I think a lot of people, they think that I dislike school. I don't.
Toturial asks, what course in university or high school do you think is important to be successful in the business market? Question is a very good question.
Toturial asks, what course in university?
Toturial asks, what course in university or high school